Need expert dryer vent repair in Mount Dora, Florida? Damaged or disconnected vents make your dryer work harder, increase energy bills, and can create serious fire hazards. At Trinity Dryer Vent Services, we provide full dryer vent services, inspections, repairs, sealing joints, reconnecting vents, and installing new sections when needed. Our goal is to keep your dryer safe, efficient, and up to code. Proper vent repair improves airflow, shortens drying time, lowers costs, and helps prevent dangerous lint buildup. Call us today at 407-610-5287 or visit https://www.trinitydryerventservices.net to schedule professional dryer vent repair in Mount Dora, Florida with Trinity Dryer Vent Services.